Hi friends, this is next part of building of chat application in PHP using Ajax Jquery, and in this part we have going to discuss how to display sender is type something in chat text area field to receiver. In many social media site we have seen when sender has tried to type something, then receiver can see sender has typed something in his window. So this type of feature we have create under this part. There are many viewers has requested us to add this display of sender typing notification to receiver in his window, so we have added into this tutorial series and discuss under this part. First we have go to chat database login details table, and under this we have add one is type table column with data type enum. Yes means user is started type, otherwise no. After this we have go to index.php page, and here we have go to make chat dialog box. This function has make dynamic chat dialog box. So here we have add chat message in class attribute of text area field. This chat message class attribute we will use as selector in jQuery code. Now here we have write $ with document selector with on method with focus event, chat message class with function. This block of code will execute if cursor come into text area field. Under this we have write is type variable is equal to yes. If user has come into this text area field, then this is type variable value set to yes. Now we have start write Ajax request, and under this first we have write URL option set to update is type status.php page. Here we have send request to this page. In second option we have write method, and here we have write post. So we have use post method for send data to server. In third option we have write data, and in this option we can define which data we want send to server, so here we have write is type variable value. Lastly we have write success callback function. This function has been called if request completed successfully. Same way below we have again write $document selector with on method, and under this we have write blur event with text area field class chat message. If cursor has been leave from text area field, then this block of code will execute. Under this we have write is type variable is equal to no. Here we have set this is type variable value to no. That means user is leave from text area field, then we have to change is type table column status from yes to no. Now we have start write Ajax request, and under this first we have write URL option set to update is type status.php page. Here we have send request to this page. In second option we have write method, and here we have write post, so we have use post method for send data to server. In third option we have write data, and in this option we can define which data we want send to server, so here we have write is type variable value. Lastly we have write success callback function. This function has been called if request completed successfully. Now we have moved to write PHP code into update is type status.php page, and under this we have write include statement with database connection.php page. This code will make database connection on this page. Below this we have write session start function. This function will start session on this page, so we can fetch data from any session variable under this page. After this we have write $query variable is equal to update login details table set is type table column value is equal to value of $post is type variable where login details ID table column value is equal to $session login details ID variable. This is simple update data query, and here we have update value of is type table column value set to value of $post is type variable based on value of $session login details ID. Below this we have write $statement variable is equal to $connect variable with prepare statement with $query variable. This statement will make query for execution. Lastly, we want to execute this update query, so we have write $statement variable with execute method. This method will execute update query. After this we want to get is type status of particular user. So we have go to database connection.php page, and here we have make function like fetch is type status with 2 argument like $user ID variable and $connect variable. This function will return particular user is type status value. Under this function we have write $query variable is equal to select is type from login details table where user ID is equal to $user ID variable order by last activity table column in descending order with data limit 1. After this we have write $statement variable is equal to $connect variable with prepare statement, and under this we have write $query variable. This statement will prepare query for execution. Now we want to execute this query, so we have write $statement variable with execute method. This method will execute this select query. Below this we have write $result variable is equal to $statement variable with fetch all method. This method will fetch query execution result and store under this $result variable. After this we have write for each loop with condition like $result variable as $row variable. So by using this loop we can fetch data from $result variable. Under this loop we have write if statement, and under condition we have write $row is type variable value is equal to yes. If this condition true, then it will execute if block of code. Under this block we have write $output variable is equal to typing text. So if $row is type variable value is equal to yes, then in this $output variable value will be typing, otherwise this variable value is equal to blank. Lastly we have write return statement with $output variable. This is output of this function. After this we want to display is typing status along with particular user. For this we have go to fetch user.php page, which has been used to fetch user details and display on web page in table format. So here we have called fetch is type status function with 2 argument. In first argument we have write $row user ID variable and $connect variable. This function will display typing status if particular user has typed something under text area field, otherwise it will display blank along with username. Now we have check output in browser. Friends, here we can see 2 windows on screen. In one window we have login as John Smith user and in another screen we have login as Peter Parker. Now we have go to Peter Parker window and click on Start Chat button of John Smith user row. After click on button, chat dialog box has been pop on web page and cursor has been focus on text area field. So here in John Smith user window we can see typing word along with Peter Parker username, so John Smith can understand Peter Parker has typed something to send chat message to him. Suppose in Peter Parker window we have click on chat dialog box, so cursor leave text area field and here we can see in John Smith window typing text has been removed. Now lastly we have go Peter Parker window and type have a nice day message, so in John Smith window we can see Peter Parker has typed message to send him. Now we have go to Peter Parker window and click on submit button. After click on submit button, message has been sent to John Smith and in John Smith window we can see typing text has been removed and one message unread notification we can see. So this way we can display typing text to receiver when sender has typed something for send in PHP Ajax live chat application. Is there any other suggestion? Please comment your suggestion in comment box. If you have any query regarding this video tutorial part, please comment your query in comment box, or if you like this video tutorial please share with your friends, or even you can also share on social media also. If you want to get more update regarding our video tutorial, please subscribe our YouTube channel for get more update regarding release of future video. Lastly, keep watching our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video tutorial.